Hi, I'm going to show you the integration of Claude Desktop application with your LinkedIn account so you can publish as well as schedule posts directly to your LinkedIn account through that. So for that, just go to LiGo's integration page. You can search for that on Google. It will appear at the top. Just click on that and from there, go to Claude integration and the process is literally just one command. So if you're not logged in, just click over here. It will prompt you to sign up or log in. In my case, I already am signed in and logged in and everything else. So I'll just copy this command to my clipboard and then open a new terminal over here and run this command. And that's pretty much it. It's going to automatically set the MCP in my Claude application. All I have to do is just restart the Claude Desktop application. So once you have restarted Claude's application, you will see LinkedIn over here. And there's like a lot of different things that you're able to do with this. Just to give you a quick example, I'll ask it to fetch my last 3 LinkedIn posts. And it's going to show me what post I made on LinkedIn, and I can ask it to then maybe give me 3 ideas of what my next post would be. And then I can tell it what idea I like the most, and then ask it to convert that into a full-fledged LinkedIn post in my style based on the past posts that it has read of me. And then I can ask it to just publish the LinkedIn post to my LinkedIn profile. So I'm not going to show you that in this video. You can just try it for yourself, but the process is just this simple. That's primarily what I wanted to show. So thank you for watching.